Welcome home to awesome 2755 Carambola Circle South, nestled among the waterways of Applewood Village II in Coconut Creek, Florida. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with full-size washer and dryer in the unit is a rare find at this unbeatable price. Warm hardwood floors give you a zen welcome as you walk through the front door and into the main living area, which is drenched in sunlight by 2 sets of double sliding glass doors leading out to the oversized screened-in patio. The natural and durable materials are continued in the beautiful kitchen with 180 degrees of upper and lower wooden cabinets and gorgeous granite countertops. The efficient layout makes it a pleasure to prepare meals and entertain your friends and family. Enjoy the privacy of a split bedroom plan. The master bedroom features the 3rd set of double sliding glass doors, which pour plenty of light into the spacious room. It is completed by a large walk-in closet and a separate enclosed room for the shower and toilet. On the opposite side of the home are 2 spacious bedrooms and a 2nd full bathroom, perfect to accommodate friends and family visiting our Sunshine State. Say goodbye to the laundromat and hello to your own full-size washer and dryer. Just a few steps away is the community clubhouse and fully equipped fitness center for members only. Enjoy the sun or the cool shade in the tranquil pool deck. Step out of your home and onto the walking trails along the sparkling lagoon in the community. The property is surrounded by picturesque waterways and vast green areas. Enjoy walks across miles of meticulously manicured grounds shaded by majestic trees. The property is located just a short walk or a fun canoe ride to Tradewinds Park and Nature Center. And don't forget to visit the largest butterfly house on earth at Butterfly World. Applewood Village is centrally located in a friendly community near great restaurants, entertainment, and shopping. It is literally close to everything, including the Florida Turnpike, Sawgrass Expressway, and I-95. When you purchase an Applewood Village, you have the privilege of becoming a member of the renowned Township Community Master Association, which provides a stunning array of country club-style amenities. The mega complex is conveniently located on the northeast corner of Copans and Lyons Road. The highlights of amenities that you will enjoy here include the Performing Arts Center, the ballroom, the clubhouse, the aquatic center, and the athletic club. The best feature of 2755 Carambola Circle South is the incredibly low price. A spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo with your own washer and dryer in the unit and country club style amenities for under $200,000? A rare find indeed, but we assure you it won't last long. So don't wait and call now, 954-240-9680.